Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview on a Wednesday, July 30th, 2014. Traders, great to be with you. We are coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Absolutely beautiful blue skies, white sandy beaches, and nice calm waters. I might have to take a trip to the beach today, my friends. Alright, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Alright traders, got some charts to look at and some news to talk about. So why don't we head over and let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday and I'm your moderator through the Market Open Preview every single day before the London Open. And then of course on Friday we have the Friday wrap-up after the close of the New York session. Alright, I started trading in 2006 traders, and in 2008 I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders 9 days later came to Pattaya, Thailand for a 3-month vacation, 2014, and I'm still here. Traders, I absolutely love what I do. I love being in front of my charts, looking at fundamentals, technical analysis, just trying to figure it all out. It's just so exciting and invigorating. Having a great time in my second career. I hope you are too. And traders, I have to tell you, I absolutely adore talking to you every single day and giving you today's preview. All right, let's get over to the legal stuff. This is the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, it's so important that you understand that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future. Okay, so let's talk about the Dow 30 closed at 0.42%. And the S&P 500 closed negative 0.45%. The NASDAQ 100 closed 0.21%. Going across the pond, had a lot of green yesterday. The DAX closed up 0.58%. The FTSE 100 closed up 0.29%. The CAC 40 closed up at 0.48%. The Eurostoxx 50 also closed up at 0.54%. Currently trading, we have several things that we need to talk about in Asia. The Nikkei 225 is up currently at 0.21%. The Shanghai is down 0.13%, with the Hang Seng up 0.82%. And out of Sydney, currently trading, the S&P ASX 200 is up at 0.63%. And rounding this off, the Kospi 200 in the green at 1.50%. All right, let's go over and talk. What do you think? Maybe we should hit the calendar and see what's going on for today. We got a lot of data coming out in New York, but before we do that, let's just hit a little bit on, well, you know what, traders? It's going to be slow in the London session. Okay, in New York today, in the New York session, really, absolutely, we have some high-impact data coming out approximately an hour before the stock market opens. ADP non-farm employment changes today, and GDP quarter-on-quarter comes out also 15 minutes after that. And we have our normal stuff that comes out. In the Eurozone, we do have German CPI, but that's medium impact. And traders, I have to tell you, that is it. The U.S. session is the one to watch as far as data coming out today. Okay, so let us see what's going on, and let's hit it to the charts. Okay, so we're going to take a look at two currency pairs today, and I had to use a different trading platform today. My MT4 crashed on me today, so we had to go to the reserves. It was getting late, and I did not have time to reload and set up charts. So we got a different platform today. All good though. Charts are charts. Okay, here we go. All right, this is the pound CAD. I just picked it out of the blue. Just figured I'd take a look at it. This is the daily chart. You know, this chart it's like bullish, but like bearish. So it's been in this range. Now there's a lot of pips in this range. So I fibbed this, so I'm saying, well, if we get to this triangle, why don't we short this and take this to the downside? And that looks all well and good, and I think this is a good trade setup. So my bias on the pound CAD is to go short. You can see if you were trading the daily chart where the diamond is, that would be your stop loss. And of course, we'd want to take our profit right above the 161.8 Fibonacci level at 78.48, and you can see the blue dot there. All right, let's go over to the 60-minute chart, see what we got. 60-minute chart, same situation. You know, we've basically have come up to R2, and you know, we're waiting for this to turn around and come back down. And I'm not saying it's going to come back down. It might continue to go up. It's a pretty hard pair to judge at the moment, as you know, the CAD is strong, but the pound is weak, right, against the dollar. Anyhow, the dollar is very strong. So we'll see how this works. But if you look at these candles on the top of this chart, we have, you know, a doji indecision candle and the current candle right at this hour, which is coming to about 2.5 hours before the London Open, is also an indecision candle. So we'll see how this one works out. But you know, I'm kind of curious how this is going to go. We're just going to sit back and watch this one. But I thought it was interesting to bring it up and take a look. Like I said, traders, I don't look at these before I do an analysis with you guys and talk about charts. I just pick one, put it on the screen, and we start going. Because if I did everything that worked out perfect, you would think like this is easy and everything is perfect. Well, it's not. So that's why I do this and move in different directions. Okay, let's take a look at the pound CAD, and this is exactly what I'm talking about, right? This is, again, you know, we're looking to take this bullish on the 15-minute chart. I mean, look at this up move here. So now it's at R2. So now we're looking for a pullback into our rectangle. You can see the green arrow. And, you know, we're looking to take this to the upside. We'd love to see this come all the way back down to that 38.2, just above it to that 200 exponential moving average, which is that dark green line on the chart. Look at your Williams percent R indicator on the bottom of the chart, traders. Does that not look beautiful? Absolutely to the downside and looking really nice, really nice. So we're looking for this to come back, and let's take this baby to the upside on the 15-minute chart. You know, traders, as I've been saying, well, probably for about 2 weeks now, that we just have to trade what's in front of us. The market isn't anymore where you can put a trade on and expect 50, 60, 70 pips anymore. You got to get in there, get your 20 pips, 25 pips, and get out, because the market is all over the place. And I know we don't trade stocks and options, but you know what? It's earnings seasons, and it does play a role in the Forex market. And with all the global stuff that's going on with these airplane crashes and the war with Israel and Palestine, you know, it's pretty crazy out there, and it does affect us. Remember, we're not micro traders, we're macro traders, right? All right, let's go over to the Euro Oz. Now, you're probably wondering, Bill, why don't you have a daily chart on the Euro Oz? I'm going to tell you why. Because the Euro Aussie on the daily chart looks almost exactly the same as this is. And there's not a lot we can do with this chart. Basically, what we're looking for here is we need a breakout. If it wants to go long, you know what? Breakout above that R1 at 43.07. And if it wants to go short, you know what? 42.90, go short and get a bearish candlestick formation, and we'll take that to the downside, right? Just, it's really an easy trade setup. Your stop is above the 200 exponential moving average, and you know, we'd love to get down to S2. This is a 15-minute chart. S1 is just not enough pips, so we'd love to get down to S2. Down there, you know, like 42, 45 would be nice. Okay. All right. So let's go to a 15-minute chart now. I would like to tell you that this is better, but it's not. It's an easier trade setup, but it's not better. Basically, on this, we're just looking for a close below this 200 exponential moving average, and we're going to take this to the short side. You know, if you look at the daily chart spatially, you know, spatial intelligence, you would see that the Euro Aussie is bearish. There's no reason to be taking long trades in the Euro Aussie. So that means if it doesn't work out, we just sit on our hands and don't do anything. Traders, you're probably wondering what those pink, blue, and yellow lines are. Traders, those are support and resistance lines. And that's all they are. They're just support and resistance lines that are automatically generated onto my charts. Okay, I don't have to put them on, they're done automatically for me. So that's what that is all about. All right, traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our good friend FXCL Excellence in Trading. I'd like to thank you for joining me for the Market Open Preview on a Wednesday. Traders, have a great trading day. Grab those profits. Protect yourself. Remember, lots of data in the U.S. session. Be careful, traders, and we'll talk to you tomorrow from Pattaya, Thailand. Bye-bye.